I thoroughly recommend understanding the formal traditional story structures out there, as many as you can find. But today we're going to take a look at one of the more unique ones to come out in the most recent years, and that's the Dan Harmon's story circle. If you haven't seen it before, here it is. So let's see if Squid Game actually fits Dan Harmon's story circle. We start episode 2 in the comfort zone. All the players are back in their dorm after playing one of the first deadly games. About half the players vote to leave because they want to not go through another death game, whereas the other half of players want to continue to play because they want the money. So right there we have a need to survive and also a need to survive. Just two different arguments of how they're going to achieve that. Now all the characters return back to their normal lives. The reason it's unfamiliar is because they are now changed because of the very first game. Each character now tries to solve their original problems with their original means, only to find that they literally have no other options. Quite simply, they get what they want. They end up going back to the games. Each character during phases 3, unfamiliar situation, and 4, adaptation, must now pay the price to get what they want, and this means that all of them have to put their lives at risk, but they also have to leave their lives behind. Number 7, return to comfort. This doesn't mean that they have to return to the very same place that they were comfortable before. Instead, they return to a place where they are comfortable, where they understand the risk and are willing to move forward at that point. The final elements of number 8 is that it shows how the character has changed across the events of your story. How has the conflict changed them? Well, in this case, the character has gotten back onto the bus as he did in episode 1. However, this time he knows exactly what he's going towards. He knows exactly what he's putting at stake to get his desire. Each story structure has a lot of value that it can give you in your storytelling journey. So don't forget to learn as many of them as you possibly can, because each one will give you something that you can go forward, use and improve your storytelling.